So you're a beginner YouTuber with less than 100 subscribers, you want to get YouTube monetized and start earning money from YouTube, right? But you're asking yourself, what should I do to grow my channel faster? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 hot tips on what you should do right now, 1 reveal, and 1 hack at the end. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. And I'm a coach, I'm a listener, I'm here to listen to you. So tell me your main issues and concerns related to your YouTube journey right now, down below in the comments. Tip number 1 is about making sure you're setting yourself up with enough budget gear to provide a good audience experience for your viewers. And nothing fancy is needed. You really don't need to invest in anything expensive at this point. You can film with your smartphone. I have an iPhone, for example, and all you really need to do is get a ring light. That's a good idea, so that you're not dependent on the weather, the season, or the time of day that you're filming, because that's quite stressful actually. And then also get a stand, a tripod, or a selfie stick to avoid shaky videos. And the third aspect of this is to get a microphone that provides a decent audio experience for your viewers. And all of this is linked down below in the description box, so that you can set yourself up without having to spend hundreds of dollars on your gear. So tip number 2 is about making interesting videos. Research your topics and try to find topics that are interesting to people. And also make a change of scenery. Film your videos in different environments with different angles and different shots. Add B-roll when you edit, and also some flying in titles, bullets and other kinds of graphics, so that your video is all the time interesting and keeps your viewers watching. Make sure that your videos are 1% better with every upload, and you'll eventually get where you want to go. Tip number 3 is about making great thumbnails. And you know, the only software for me is CANVA. I've got it linked down below as well. You can grab your version of CANVA, free 30-day trial if you want to, because the thumbnails are so important when it comes to your audience clicking your videos. So research what kind of thumbnails do people use, and try different versions for yourself and see which ones work best on your videos. Should you have a face in it? Yes. Should you use the same text as in your title? No. With all that said, all you need to do is start exploring your thumbnail versions. Tip number 4 is about speaking directly to your audience. Most people are on YouTube to find answers or get entertained. So which answers can you provide to your audience, or how can you entertain them? Make sure to have a mindset of giving before you get. Become so comfortable on camera that you easily can come across as authentic, genuine, and trustworthy. So tip number 5 is about staying consistent, meaning you should upload every week to your channel. Over time, you will get the results that you want. And the reveal I wanted to give to you is that this is the only actual part that you can control on your YouTube journey. It's the truth. You can't control subscribers, views and watch time, or how YouTube is gonna display your videos in front of others. All you can control is the actions that you take. So go on and take them. The hack that I wanted to give you is coming up now. After these 5 tips and the reveal, this is the hack. Live stream. And you're asking yourself, what does that help? Well, it does, because the live stream is your dry run before you film your videos. How clever is that? I do it all the time. I research my topics, I write my scripts, then I live stream, which is also a conversation with you guys in a much more natural and relaxed way. And then I film my videos and edit them. So with all this said, I wish you good luck. See you in the next video. All the best. Bye.